Go over and stand by them, not you.
I got you right up.
What is it?
It's muddy.
Let me
You
see.
should drink it.
No, I'm not drinking the mud. What do you need?
Some water.
What for?
For mine. For there. It's a Sunday. For my Sunday. It's a doll Sunday. And claiming her mud pit.
A mud pit?
Hey, Coley, show them how to cross your eyes.
Yeah, Emmy taught you that.
That's exactly what Emily used to do. The dude wants to do it. The dude's gonna do it.
What?
Your engine.
some coffee to throw a coffee up in the sky for a sun come up.
Because the coffee is hot,
Yeah.
it will make the sun come up?
Yeah.
Or will the coffee be up in the air and it'll be the sun?
No. Is coffee that we throw it up,
Mm-hmm.
then we just do it?
And then you'll get to play outside?
Yeah.
What?
We should do it right now.
That doesn't make sense.
Let's go for outside.
It's okay if we're outside? You want to
Okay.
dress fancy today? Back up a little bit? If that's what you want to rock it. Wait. You're going to leave the top one open?
Going by the side with pink rocks.
You're going to be covered in dirt in 5 minutes. Love you.
Love you.
Can I have a kiss?
Bye.
Wait, where's my kiss? You always give kisses to the ones that you love before you go on big trips. And huggies. I need a kiss. That's a fake kiss. No, I don't want a fake hug. Kiss. Kiss. Yeah, you.
Love you. Are going on 90 diesel truck.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Picture me.
What?
Picture me.
Okay. Ready.
Do, 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 do. Get up. Get up. Dip, 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 dip.
Oh, there you are. Watch your fingers.
I'm back.
You're back again?
Yep.
Ooh. Did you have fun?
Yeah. Now this California.
This is California?
Yep. Now I went to California to just get something or to just went to California.
You're not Coyote
He has a
Peterson.
snake stick. You have a
There's another one right there?
Reagan.
No, that one's closed. There's one right there. Ooh, whoa.
Mommy, there's a crickets out here. Look.
I know.
Dude, this is like cricket territory.
Dude, look at that thing.
That's a badger.
Maybe a rabbit.
A rabbit? There could be rabbits out here.
There are holes everywhere, though. One right there, one right there.
It could be some type of
there,
predator
right there.
digging for prey.
You've got dirt on your nose. Did you know? You can hear them across the reservoir, but you can also hear them at 5 o'clock in the morning. That loud. 5 o'clock in the morning.
And 10 o'clock at night. Oh, chipmunk, chipmunk. On the
There they
tree.
go.
Get away from us. Where's the chipmunk? My gosh.
Oh my gosh. Look at that moon.
I picture a chipmunk.
What? You're taking a picture or something?
Picture a chipmunk.
You what?
Quiet.
Okay.
I pictured it.
You pictured it?
Yeah, I know.
Besides them, you can't hear anything else. Maybe some other birds, but see, now they're quiet.
I'm done.
They're done. You can't hear anything else. That's how quiet it is. Oh, look at that sun. It's peeking through. Look how much room we have. Mosquito. Mosquito came right up at my face.
For the first time, I lost my hand from the digger when going for a double stick. Ooh.
Do you know what we do for fun?
Now introducing Reagan Ramsey.
Keep thinking that I could have done something, but now I'm left with an empty heart. No making amends, no waking up beside you and holding you till we forget it all. Oh, baby, how could I know there was no second chances? Like dominoes, my life got really scattered. You couldn't keep the door shut, and now the frostbite's creeping in. 'Cause I've been stone cold since you left me here. So come home, why won't you reappear? Things that I said came out totally wrong. Can't speak of the truth when it's tainted. I fell into a big black hole. It got me stone cold. You got me stone cold. You got me stone cold. You got me stone.
With your dirty face.
I'd be tiny. I'm tiny. Can you see me?
Yep. Bye, tiny guy. Have you perfected your backing up signals? Ross loves mine. When I come back,
No.
and then hold tight,
But it's like a
and then
mixture.
roll.
Like
and then-
sometimes it's not the same. There's no set pattern. It's just whatever's going through the mind.
He's lucky I stand back here and make sure that it's good. And I've been getting better.
What do you mean I'm lucky?
You're lucky. I could just be sitting in the trailer eating bonbons while you...
Well, I'll tell you what, I would have left you in Florida. You wouldn't be on this trip.
All of my signals are as they come to me, like he said. Sometimes I'm like, hold tight. I know that's hold tight. That's hold tight, right? Sometimes this is stop. This could be stop. This could be let it roll back just a tiny bit, or roll it forward just a tiny bit.
Or you're saying, I can kind of hear you faintly go forward, but she's not moving any hand movements. Just
I was like,
yeah, go forward. Yeah.
You got me stone cold.
we're finally leaving this awesome place. We stayed our 14 days and now we're gonna go. But we're heading, I don't know where we're heading. We're doing errands, go grocery shopping, do our laundry, and then we're gonna go scope out some places by the lake. Ooh. 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 Yep. You should have listened to me and went out the other way. Yeah,
I got that drag.
good thing you and Tom made it drag worthy. The bumper scrape.